Okay students, let us continue the next topic, that is nth term of an AP. What is nth term of an AP? Already we told you A1, A2, A3, A4 and continuing like this AN. So this is the general representation of an AP, correct? So in this representation AN is the last term. In some cases, maybe first term and second term, some terms are given in the question and maybe you will get common difference and total number of terms in the question. But if you don't know what is the exact last term, you can use this equation. An is the last term. If you want to find out the last term of an AP, you can use this equation. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? A is the first term. A is first term. N is number of terms, total number of terms, total number of terms. So if there are 50 numbers in the AP, so n is equal to 50. That is an example. Okay, so if there are 100 number of numbers in an AP, then n is equal to 100. That is the meaning. So D, you know that what is D? D is common difference. So by using all these three terms, if we are applying an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, this equation, we will get an. An means last term of an AP. Okay, let us start exercise 5.2. Question number 1. Filling the blanks in the following table. So in the following table, you have to fill the blanks. Okay, given that A is the first term, D is the common difference. So A is the first term, D is the common difference, An and nth term of an AP. An given, in some cases An given and some cases N given. So you have to fill the blanks. How can you find it? First one. Okay, so in the first case, if you are checking in the table, you are getting A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. This is the table. Okay, here it is given that A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 8. This one you have to find. In your textbook, the value of N is not given. Okay, so you have to find the value of An. So A given, D given, N given. You have to find An. What is the equation for finding An? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A here? 7 plus n minus 1. What is n? 8. So 8 minus 1 into what is D is equal to 3. So I am substituting all the values here. So 7 plus 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 into 3. So 7 plus 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. So now you got An is equal to 28. So you can fill the term here. An is equal to 28. In the second case, A given minus 8. D is not given. Okay. N is equal to 10 and An is equal to 0. So I am writing in the second case, A is equal to minus 18. D we have to calculate. N is equal to 10 and An is equal to 0. So I am applying equation An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? An is equal to 0. It is given here. Okay, I am substituting the value. A plus minus 18 plus n minus 1. N is equal to 10. So 10 minus 1 into D we don't know. I am calculating it as D. So 0 is equal to minus 18. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 into D is equal to plus 9 D. Okay. So I am taking this 18 minus 18 onto the left hand side. So plus 18 is equal to 9 D. So we will get, therefore D is equal to 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. Now you got the D is equal to 2. So you have to substitute the value of D is equal to 2 here. Next, in this question, A not given, D is equal to minus 3, N is equal to 18, N is equal to minus 5. So I am writing here. Third one, A we have to calculate. D is equal to minus 3, N is equal to 18 and An is equal to minus 5. Okay, so I am substituting the equation here. An is equal to, so minus 5 is equal to a, we don't know, I am writing it as a plus n minus 1, so 18 minus 1 into d is equal to minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to a, we don't know, a, again 18 minus 1 is equal to 17 plus 17. So plus 17 into minus 3 is equal to what? Minus 51. So plus 17 into minus 3, we will get minus 51. So we want to calculate a is equal to what? So in, along with this minus 5, I am taking this minus 51 onto the this opposite side. So minus 51 comes here, plus 51. So minus 5 plus 51 is equal to 46. Now you got a is equal to 46. You can give the value in the table. Next, fourth part. A is equal to minus 18.9. I am writing here. A is equal to minus 18.9. D is equal to 2.5. N is equal to, we have to calculate. An is equal to 3.5. So this is the question. I am writing equation. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to 3.6 is equal to, what is a? A is equal to minus 18.9 plus n we don't know, so n minus 1, I am writing it as n minus 1 into d is equal to 2.5. Okay, so next we can calculate like this term I am writing first. N minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to this term I am taking along with the 3.6. So 3.6 minus comes here plus 18.9, we will get it is equal to 22.5. 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to 22.5. So n minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to this one. So we will get n minus 1 is equal to this number 22.5. Here it is into, here it should come divided by 2.5. Okay, so 22.5 divided by 2.5, you will get answer is equal to 9. How can you calculate it? These two are point numbers, so I am multiplying 10 here in numerator and in denominator. So you will get 225 divided by 25. So it's equal to 9 here. Okay, now n minus 1 is equal to 9. So n is equal to this 9 minus 1 comes here, plus 1 is equal to 10. Now you got n is equal to 10. Okay, fifth part, do it as homework.